Welcome, everyone, to the 9th Annual Symposium on Artificial Intelligence. Now, everyone get ready. We're going to spend several intense days together listening to speakers, attending workshops, etc. But we'll also have some fun and we'll have some downtime in between. Now, if you look in your folder on the yellow sheet, you'll see that on day 1, we will concentrate on the development of computer capabilities
Angie Johnson earns the Smiley Face
for
Award
intelligent
getting the
behavior
most
in
points
complex
conflict
situations
resolution. Angie.
and program synthesis,
Shane 11 gets most improved communicator for the category.
followed by an afternoon of miniature golf and a fajita dinner.
Period for Shayna. Go Shayna.
Now on day 2, we'll have hands-on workshops dealing with multi-source information integration and autonomous robots, followed by a crawfish boil and karaoke.